everyone, welcome to my channel Sharvil Talks. Today we will make kites for MAKAR SANKRANti. So let's begin. First I have the rectangle yellow papers. So we have to cut them very slowly in the line. See. Wait. See, I'm cutting very slowly in line. Oops, sorry. So, we cut the square paper. So, we will cut them diagonally. So, we cut them into triangular pieces, okay? So, we will take a Fevicol. See, we have the Fevicol. So, we will put in the shape. So, you have to put a little bit of Fevicol like this. To cut one more triangle. So let's cut more triangles. Wait everyone. So we cut one more triangle. So let's cut into diagonally pieces. So let's put Fevicol. So, we will make eyes with black sketch pens. See. This is the background. I have made so many colorful kites. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.